All right, today we're going to be changing the solenoid and the vent canisters for the evap. If you, a lot of times these fail, especially if you drive a lot of gravel and such, like on this truck. This is a 19 Chevy Silverado, which I'm actually currently changing the motor on. And as you can see, these are all busted and all plugged up. So since the cab's off, it's super easy to change, so might as well fix it while we're in here. So I'm just gonna unhook these lines first because I want to blow out this vent. And I guess once I take the box off, I'll probably clean that filter out up there. But for now, just take this vent off. And for getting these apart, I usually just use a little bit of, if you get a little WD-40. And it works after you hit it with WD-40, just use your air compressor and blow it all out. And usually gets all the dirt out of there and they come apart pretty easy once you do that. So to get the solenoid off, it's just a 13 mil. And then we just have one plug on the solenoid, and then it just clips onto the canister there. So the vent tube, I'm just gonna blow some air through it, and just to, if there's any dust at the other, on the filter at the other end, kind of clean it out a little bit. As you can see, how much is coming off there. I probably should take it apart and wash that filter out, but I'm gonna take the box off later anyways, so I'll clean it out the rest of the way then. So same thing, the canister is just 113 mil. So this one tube, I'm just gonna, since it was been unplugged for who knows how long, Just gonna unhook it here and blow it out. Okay, so I just added some zip ties just because these green little extra safety clips are missing, so it'll pretty much act like the same idea, until I can find some or maybe buy some from GM. I'm not too sure, but anyways, that's your evap and canister install. Thanks for watching.